Hi guys, so if you watch my channel for a while, you know I do a lot of things with these, and that is sprues. Yep, I make all sorts of things with sprues, from orc stompers, great unclean one, wizard towers, and even a sprue burger. But I've just found out something about these sprues that's absolutely going to blow your minds apart. So you guys have been sending in all these lovely sprues for me to use, and obviously one of the first things I do when I get these is cut them up into sort of long lengths. Or I put them in acetone and dissolve them. But obviously I've cut off all the little nibbly knobbly bits as well, because we don't need some of those, just to get some sort of nice thin long lengths. So yeah, I've been using these now for, I don't know, about 8-9 months. I've been making things out of these. And I say, you guys have been generously sending loads into me, which is awesome. One thing though guys, I am not taking it anymore at the moment, because I've still got about a dozen boxes full of these things. But this is where it gets interesting guys. I was recently sent some, and they didn't look like this. They look like this. Yeah, look. There's bits in the middle. Who knew? All kinds of weird and wonderful bits. Big bits, little bits. But the main thing is, there's so much detail in all these little bits and pieces that are actually in the sprues. I mean, who knew? All the sprues I ever got were obviously the outer edge bits. But these ones have got bits and pieces in the sprues. Amazing. Mind-blowing. So there's me thinking that these sprues turned up and they were just sort of like all plain and, well, like this basically. But no, this isn't how sprues normally come. They normally come with bits and pieces in them. Amazing. So, all these little bits and pieces, I think I need to do something with them. Cut them out, stick them together, and, well, who knows, make something with them. To make sure this wasn't just a one-off and these sprues had bits in, I went out and bought a few boxes just to see if the sprues do come with bits and pieces already in them. And look, they do. Amazing. So you can actually buy boxes with sprues and they come with all this other wonderful bits and pieces on them. So I still couldn't believe my eyes and went out and bought another box. And I thought, nah, no way is this one going to have stuff on it. But yeah, look, more bits and pieces. Absolutely mind-blowing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all these bits and pieces, cut them out and glue them together and make something. So stick around for that guys, that'll be in a video tomorrow. I'm going to take some of these bits and pieces of these sprues and, well, yeah, kit bash them together I think I'll call it. So look out for that video tomorrow guys, should be out about 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm off to put my brain back together. See you tomorrow guys, bye for now.